Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Fancy Penguin, and today we are going to play a game I have been looking forward to called Dark Deception. It's a Pac Man meet horror type horror game. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, but you'll see in a second, so let's jump right in. Okay guys, here it is, Dark Deception. We're going to do a new game.
Dark Deception.
Yes, as I just said, Dark Deception. Thank you, witch lady. Or whatever you are. I'm honestly really excited. It is done. Okay, what is done? Now my faith lies in darkness. Oh boy, is this some Jedi shit? What? Welcome to the dark side. Oh, I was right, it is a witch lady. What are you? F. Press F to pay respect. Fierce.
Another one. How nice to have some company
Another one.
again.
Another one.
Come over here. Let's have a look.
Don't wave your fingers at me like that. Don't wave.
You disappoint me.
Thank you.
Alf.
I
You
hear
really
that a
do.
lot.
So many fears.
So many desires.
So many desires. I thought
She said the same thing.
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I
Okay.
know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste.
Okay, that's just
I can see
mean.
the regret eating away at your soul.
I have no regrets.
But now your time has come, and here
Yes, I
you
am.
are,
I'm.
to grovel and
Yeah.
beg. You can't go
No,
back.
I guess not.
Only death awaits you there now.
Like here or back where I came from.
Fear not, love. You've got
Aw,
potential. I see it
You're
in
so
you.
kind.
And
That's
I
the
can
kindest
help
thing you said
change
so
your
far.
fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to
Ooh.
get it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's just gonna finally launch me in the game now? Oh, are you gonna still talk, witch lady? Ballroom. Ooh, I love dancing.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals.
It's a very nice room.
Find them and bring them to
Do I
me,
want to?
and you'll get your
Okay.
wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death.
Really? Can I
awaiting
jump?
you
I can't
here.
jump. Ooh, that's a monkey.
Clock's ticking.
That's a monkey. Do I just walk in? I guess I just walk in. Okay. I'm just gonna walk in this dark, ominous hallway. Hopefully no monkey jumps out. What's that whispering? Ooh, I don't like the look of that. That's a very bloody monkey. Monkey business. Can't wait.
What a charming little hotel.
Can I
Bring
touch
back any
anything? No, not
memories?
really. Hello, little monkey man. Oh, Jesus. Are you gonna do the same thing? What do you... Okay, what is that? First of all. Very ugly monkey. Very ugly monkey. Are you gonna charge at me? Can I take another elevator? Going up, away from this place? Jesus Christ. Oh, that actually got me. Okay, do I walk backwards? Or what do I do? Hello? Ding! Guess I'm going in. You gonna play elevator music? Really?
Going up.
I guess. I don't know what the hell that means. I guess I'm going up. Let me... Oh. And we're here. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I don't like the light blink. Don't blink your lights at me. Oh shit, what is this?
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
Yes.
Those are
Shit, what
soul
the fuck?
shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls
Great.
of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their
That's a
end.
lot of crystals.
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be
Okay.
yours.
I like the sound of that. Yeah, what
One
is
more
it?
thing. You're not
See
alone.
with me.
There
Oh,
are
good.
monsters out there, and they're looking.
Oh, I'm so
for you.
happy.
Here, you
Ooh.
need this. It can detect
Ooh,
each
that's cool.
shard's location. It was left by the last guest to
Uh-huh.
disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast
Ooh.
runner. Enough instruction. Break
Okay,
those
guys,
boards and let's
it's
get
real.
this
I don't want to
party
get this party started. All right. Can I sprint? I can press shift to sprint. Shift is to sprint. You know, it would be very nice if you told me to do that. Oh shit. Oh shit. 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 Things just got very... Okay. Okay, I don't know.
Death by monkey.
Monkeys can always see you.
How
Don't stop running.
embarrassing.
Guys, it looks really easy, but for some reason the sensitivity is absolute garbage. Okay, I guess we'll go this way. Gotta use that map of mine. This way, maybe? Holy shit. Why is this actually difficult?
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
That's actually really difficult. Okay, I need to get the hang of this. Alright. Oh my god, 200 crystals? It's insane. I'm dead. Yes, I know I am dead. Alright, let's restart. Oh, can I do last checkpoint? Whatever that is? Yeah, anyway. Fuck it, I don't care. I don't know what that means. Oh, okay, so we're doing this again. Okay. Alright, I gotta plan this out. There's a lot of crystals there. We can make a break forward and then that way. Because that looks like a one way. Okay, let's go forward. I love how there's bananas on the portrait. There's no music. Where's the music? Now there's music. Okay. Oh, I missed the fucking shard. It's okay. Nope. Nope, 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 not doing this. Not doing this. Okay, I think I lost them. Right? Maybe? Fuck. 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 I'm so dead. Oh god.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Okay. Guess we're going this way now. Oh, the music starts playing right away. Okay, they're not giving me any time. We're dead. We're already dead. They're right there. They're on my ass. Please just leave me alone. Dumb little monkeys. Just don't stop running. That's the goal. Don't stop running. I think I lost them. At least I hope I did. They're right there. I'm warming up, it says. Shit. Dead end. What is that? What was the red crystal? Yes, dead already.
That's okay. Nobody liked you
Aww,
anyway.
you're so kind. Okay, we got 180 shards. I don't know how many lives we have. Guess we're gonna just jump right in, I guess. Going down here. There's a lot of shards this way. Right? There's no shards anywhere. There's a shard there. I think we missed. This way. This way. Nope, not that way. Oh, we're dead. So dead. We're so dead. Oh, nope, guess not. Why is the sound picking up? I don't like that. Alright, there's so many of them here. You probably get a lot. I'm getting used to it.
You've gathered half.
Oh, I'm glad you're impressed.
I would have thought you would have been shredded.
Well, I'm not, so suck it. I went the wrong way. I went the wrong fucking way. Nope. Fuck it. Oh! They're right there. Fuck. Oh my god. This is horrifying. I'm gonna go in here. It's probably gonna be the end of me. Yeah. How many lives do I have left? Is that it? I'm dead. Okay. That's fine. Okay. We got this. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. Here we go. We always die in there, so we're not going that way this time. Fucking hell.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
Okay, here we go. I was gonna see if I can restart, because there's no way I'm collecting everything with just 2 hearts. Oh shit. Oh, that's gonna be an oof. Alright. Gonna go down this way, that way, and then around. Why is the music picking up? I don't like when the music picks up. Nope. Okay, so
That's what you get for monkeying around with
fuck
murder
off.
monkeys.
I don't like the pun. The pun's so bad. Please stop with the puns. Alright, here we go. We need to collect 150 gems, basically. In one go, which is impossible. We're dead. There it is.
You are dead.
Nope. Alright guys, here we go. Oh man. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna do a new path. Maybe that's what's been killing us. We need to think about this smart. We need to do this strategically.
This is big brain time.
Gotta stay calm, gotta stay collected. Like I said, calm, collected, fuck, collected. I think I'm learning the layout now. Oh shit, it's gonna be close. They're coming down that way. It's fine, we got the new section. We're not doing those corners yet, just because I'm not confident enough. No! Right there. Yes. Alright, this is the one.
I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
Alright, we're gonna start doing the corner ones. You're not eating my ass just yet. Alright, we're killing it. We're absolutely killing it. I just jinxed myself, didn't I? 99 shards. Alright, we gotta get the corner ones. Gotta turn down this way. No, that's not what we're gonna do. Just yet. We're gonna go down this way. I got an extra life. Holy shit. What? That's gonna help out so much. That's clearly the wrong way. We're gonna do this. No, I don't want to. I'm not gonna jinx myself.
Behind you.
They're like all behind me, I think. I'm gonna leave those behind. I think I lost them. Don't need that for now. We'll save that until I actually need it. We'll just remember that it's there. Alright, when you go take a here, then go this way. Then we need to go all the way down. And we can collect all of them on this path right here. I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot. I am so hyper focused on everything. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Okay, okay. This way, that way. Gotta make a left, right. I don't know my directions. Okay, there's a good amount right there. We need that, that's for sure. We might die here, but we need these shards. We need those shards. Okay, I'll take the death. I'll take the death.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody
Okay,
liked
3
you
hearts.
anyway.
10 gems. It's that way. Alright. Alright, there they are, right there. We can scoop those up real quick. Can't go down that way. So we'll have to make a loop. We need those two for sure. Fuck. Not even looking. I'm not even looking at them. Oh, 4 more. 4 more. We got this. 4 more. It's down this way. No. We need to go that way though. But we can't. Okay, okay. There they are. There's some right there. We cannot miss these. Oh, that's it. That's all the 4. That's the 4. That's the 4 right there.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is
Okay,
now
where's the ring
exposed,
piece?
and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Maggie finds you.
Okay, but do we
Death
do we
by
still
night.
get the ring piece
Oh,
though?
dear. How
We have 2 health. So
embarrassing.
what's that mean? What does that mean? Is this the ring piece? Oh, we got the ring piece. Okay, what does that mean? Dares. Can we leave?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal.
Oh, that's the portal.
Hurry.
Haha. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. Are we out? Are we out? Okay, it's loading us. Right, screw it. Run, 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 run.
There's no escape for you.
I think there is. I think there is. There's my escape. Alright, what do we get? I got a B. Okay, I don't know what that means, but I'm happy with it. I lived. Very cool, level 2. I don't know what that means, but that's cool. Alright, what do you have to say for me? Good.
Good.
Aw.
You made it. And I see you met my friend.
Your
sooner
friend-
than I was expecting.
Are your friends monkeys? No, that's not a monkey. Hello.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all.
Who are
this
you,
time.
Mr. Eyeball Dude?
Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be.
You seem more evil than her. I don't know about that.
This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
I don't think so, dude.
Pay no attention to
won't.
him. His powers cannot reach you here.
Okay.
The ring piece. Place it at the
You got
altar.
it.
Now
It's so long.
been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven.
Ooh.
An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is
Really?
contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met.
Oh, so he's contained in the ring. Interesting.
Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest
I don't have much or any.
Or so the legend.
Okay, that's so it's just a legend. We don't know if it's true or not. Is that it? Oh, that's it. All right, guys. Oh no.
8 more pieces.
8 more
to
pieces.
go.
Oh my God. 8
Are
more.
you ready
no.
for another?
No, I'm not. Oh shit. Yeah, no, I'm not ready. All right, guys. I'm gonna end it here. Really nice game. You'll probably see it more in the future. probably tomorrow, most definitely tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, give me a like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next vid. Stay fancy.